How we doing, guys? Jamie, HomeRewire Scotland. It's Friday, 1 o'clock. We've just finished another rewire over in Livingston. So this customer selected our help to prep service, and basically what this is we're going to send a squad of guys up before the rewire to get the place all organised and ready to go. One of the biggest challenges we face doing occupied rewires is really getting the place organised, working around the customer's furniture, belongings, and obviously some houses are a lot busier than others, so it presents a bit of a challenge. And often the customers are maybe not able to do that work, they can't physically do it, and that was the situation here. Basically the customer was in a wheelchair and they had carers, so they weren't able to completely get this house ready for rewiring. And other times customers just don't want to do it. They're quite happy to pay for somebody to come in and do all that preparation. So what does it entail then? Basically a couple of days before the job we're going to send some people up here, and we're literally going to start moving every bit of your furniture around. We're going to get all your ornaments, your belongings, and put them onto boxes with some protection, and then dust sheet the place up, wrap all the floors up, and basically get it prepared for rewiring exactly how we want it. And then the team can come in and get the job done quickly and smoothly. On this project we mostly communicated with the carers, so we do this quite a lot with landlords, care assistants, anywhere where there's kind of a delicate situation or maybe the actual homeowner is not able to deal with this whole process. So we were communicating with the carers the whole time, and they arranged access for the customer to be out for a few days, allowing our original help to prep team to come in, do the work, and then the rewiring team have come in right at the back of them. So we rewired this place in just a day and a half, which is really good going. Other quotes are coming back at 6-7 days, and it's just, under these circumstances, it's too much hassle for the homeowner to go through. So we'll take you a quick tour through this, and you'll see the difference in this one being that the whole house is back to normal, and this lady's going to come back and her house is just as she left it. It has to get decorated still. I think that's actually going to happen before she comes back. So here we go, bungalow over in Livingston. I must admit it was really nice to get a job that was all plasterboard for a change. It makes it much easier. We've got a garage installation in here, and you'll notice that all the sockets and switches in here are done to disabled access heights. So basically we want to bring the sockets up a bit higher and we want to bring the light switches down a bit lower. So let's go into the lounge first of all, and you can see here rewiring has just finished maybe half an hour ago, and all the customers' belongings are all back where they should be, even down to pencils, chairs, ornaments, you name it. The benefits of this being all plasterboard is there's very little damage, so we've got a little cut here and there on the walls, and what we sometimes do is just finish this with white plaster and it just blends in a wee bit better. Consumer unit, again all labelled up and good to go. And this one we've got 2 showers, ground floor sockets ×2, garage light and smoke alarms, kitchen sockets, cooker, conservatory, boiler, alarm and lighting. You can see a few of the cuts in the walls here, and again really neat, and if it's plasterboard it's just much easier for us. So all the pictures have been put back on the walls. We had a couple of spots in the bathroom here, fan isolators, sockets, 2 double sockets down there. Going into this room, so again you'll see that the whole room has been put back to normal, and it's ready for the customer just to come back. This is the kitchen area. We managed to do all the rewiring in here without any damage to the tiles. Again, just a couple of little incisions in the walls. Again, we managed to do in here without any damage. And all the appliances were actually switched down the back, which isn't great. So as a compromise here, we've just put a couple of sockets in and brought the flexes up to them. 2 brand new LED batten fittings here. We also had a conservatory area through with 3 double sockets and 2 wall lights. Bathroom, extractor fan, ×2 shaver point and 4 spotlights. and that's about it. Another successful rewire complete over in Livingston. So the carers have just come back there and they're absolutely delighted. The story was here that this customer didn't have any lights in the house for months and months and months. There was electrical faults and it's obviously not ideal under circumstances. Lighting is a practical requirement. You've got to see where you're going at the end of the day. So when the other Sparky came in, had a look at it, he says, look, this needs rewired, it's not for me, and we know the guys who do it. And that's where a lot of our business is coming from these days, other electricians who are happy to recommend HomeRewire to their clients. So we came up here yesterday, we went a full day on it, we got to about 6 o'clock, and then we finished about half an hour ago, and it's up the road. If you're interested in rewiring, get in touch with us. We've got loads of extra services that help reduce the hassle in rewiring. The help to prep service, it starts from $495 plus VAT, which may seem a lot of money to start with, but obviously it might save you a lot of time, or if you're under a position where you can't do the prep, then it might be an option you have to look at. We also do Artex removal services. We've got loads of different ways to help you make rewiring smooth and easy. Cheers.